So yeah, just give me 10 seconds and we'll get started. Alright, YouTube should pop up. I think I'll start once I see that. But good morning. Hope you guys are well. Any second now. Alright, well, hopefully YouTube captures this part. So, welcome to another live session, everyone. Today is October 29th. October flew past us, and another thing that's flying is dollar index. So, if you look at yesterday's video that's on YouTube, or even the full version on the portal, you'll see we talked about the dollar index going to these highs up here. You have the arrow, and what do you know, it went there, right? We had a simple descending channel. We broke out. I talked about the pullback back down to 93.32. We got that, right? Nice pullback, nice big bullish candle, and then dollar index just surged to the upside. Very easy target, right? These equal highs, right? We have this 93.89 level, and there you go, YouTube's up. So pretty much what we drew up is what happened. And this morning we had some important, I keep getting hiccups. We have this important GDP event. GDP numbers were fabulous. I'm pretty sure Trump is going to tweet all day about this. But 33.1% versus 32% forecast. Unemployment claims came in better as well, with around 22K less claims filed. And even the advanced GDP is 3.6, so it's really good fundamental day for the dollar. So I'm going to quickly go over what's next for the dollar. So yesterday we had that pullback, and then that launch to these highs right here, right? Now the next thing that dollar index can do, now we have to talk about the elephant in the room, and that's the election. We are 5 days away. Tomorrow's Friday. If you do tomorrow, and then the weekend, then we're pretty much 24 hours away from knowing the first, uh, first series of results for the swing states and all that stuff. So next week is just going to be, probably similar to December, when you have Christmas, that weird time between Christmas and New Year's, where the markets are open, but you might not want to participate just because of things that can go terribly wrong, such as election results, and who knows what Trump will be tweeting or what Biden's camp will be tweeting. We know Trump's Twitter fingers can move the market, so if he calls, conspiracies or whatever. There's so many possibilities that as a trader you want to minimize those unknown possibilities. So I would love to say that the next target for dollar index could be for example this kind of zone right here. I'll actually draw that zone. That's the kind of the next significant high / support area. So let me just pull this out, and then I'll make it as tight as possible. Right, we have that coming into play. We do have this next significant high here, but I think all in all, we will be magnetized to this kind of price range, which is at 94.200. So that's my opinion of where the dollar index will go. Right now, it's already trucking along on its way there. Very simple, right? We had a nice clean channel, we had a break. It should go there. Tomorrow's Friday, so I think this move, if it does complete by tomorrow, then that's crazy. If it doesn't, I think it will be completed by Monday, and then obviously Tuesday we have the results, and then anything can happen. So we'll see on Monday if we cross above 94.2. if we do, then the next viable target is this high back at 94.75, and this is a high we made in September. So we're kind of making our way back up to that September high. If you guys recall, this is where in July we continued that sell-off. We sort of stuck in a range almost. We tried to go to all-time lows. I think we made all-time lows here. Price started to rage again, then finally it broke out, tried to do a rally, and then it went on a huge downtrend for some time. And so we might start a new uptrend for the dollar index. So if you pop up to the daily, you see the daily candles. I'll try to move this. You see the daily candles, very, very nice and big. Nice bullish hammer right here. That pretty much tells me that we are going to hit this target, and eventually we should target this high of 94.75. So dollar's looking good coming into the election. Looking light and forceful. It's finally trending in a direction, and that should bode well for us. But I'll speak about our approach, mine and ours approach going into tomorrow into next week, and we'll get on to that. So I'm going to shift over to the paid side of things, but a nice easy read for the dollar index. So for any free members, hopefully your analysis of a bullish dollar paid off and you took advantage on some of the majors and minors.